Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed from Al-Hana Clothing. Today we're going to show you how to use a miswak. Please, before we start, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. We have a lot of good video coming up. I don't want you to miss any of it. First, you're going to start with good quality miswak. Miswak al-Falah is very good quality. There's another company come with this kind of miswak, come with different flavor. Come with strawberry, grape, vanilla, and other. Now we're going to show you how to peel the miswak. The miswak, you get the scissor and you score around whole miswak like that. When you score like this, you get the knife, you start peeling it. Just peel the skin, just the skin only. Not too deep, just the skin. It's very easy. And that's all the skin now is gone. This is the miswak after you peel it. When you peel the miswak, you put it in the water. Water or rose water. Rose water is ماء الورد. We use بنستعمل في back home. ماء الورد. You dip in the water for almost 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you get the miswak out. This one I have already done. You just chew with your teeth, like a couple of times, crunch it, and break it like this, and get it look like this after that, almost like a brush. When it's finished like this, you can brush your teeth sideways, bottom, up, whatever you want. Ready to go, from right to left, and that's the miswak complete, done. If you're interested to buy any of these items you see on this video, you will see links below. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for our channel and hit the bell button. Shukran jazeeran. Don't forget to brush your teeth.